Week 5 of your first trimester is when most moms-to-be find out they're pregnant. And that's because by now you've probably realized you've missed your period and thought, whoa, I should take a test. If that's you, congratulations. You just discovered you're pregnant and you've already got 1 month in the books. At week 5, your baby is the size of an apple seed, and if we're being honest, looks more like a tadpole than a baby. Your embryo is now measurable, though at week 5 of pregnancy, it's a wee 0.13 inches from crown to rump. In fact, in the next week, they'll almost double in size. Baby is already starting to form an itty-bitty heart, complete with chambers that feed and pump blood. Baby's also starting to form all bodily systems and other major organs. All pregnancies are different, and how women's bodies change throughout pregnancy varies widely. Hormones are bringing on a slew of sensations like sore breasts, nausea, and fatigue. If you haven't already started making long-term plans for baby, now's a good time to start. In addition to establishing good habits like taking prenatal vitamins, following a healthy diet, and exercise, consider any other big changes you may need to make too, like a bigger home or setting aside a nest egg.